Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic 6 Pro, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on your screen. Once that is the case, press the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this animation right here with share and scroll options visible for a brief moment, and once the actual screenshot disappears, you can find it in your gallery application. So under albums, you will see there is an album called screenshots, and in here you'll find screenshots and screen recordings, and here's a screenshot that I've just captured. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.